Byron Enterprises Incorporated has been a leading manufacturer of large volume vegetable harvesting equipment for over 20 years. In that time, Byron has pioneered many of the innovations that have changed the sweet corn processing industry. It is in that tradition that Byron is pleased to introduce the Byron 9100 Field Cutter, the industry's first practical cut corn harvester. In 1987, Byron Enterprises entered into a working agreement with a major North American food processor to develop and test a cut corn harvester. By the end of 1988, Byron engineers had completed tests on a one-row prototype, and plans for a four-row unit were underway. Early testing revealed the many complexities involved in the development of a multi-function harvester. It was soon discovered that the field cutter would require a substantial on-board water supply. This, combined with the field cutter's many harvesting components, makes the harvester an unusually heavy piece of field equipment. It was at this point that Byron engineers teamed up with the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company to develop a rubber-tracked undercarriage. The rubber-track design offers many benefits. One of the most significant benefits is the drastic reduction in soil compaction. The field cutter's tracks exert a ground pressure of approximately 5 pounds per square inch, similar to the pressure a person would exert by simply walking across a field. The field cutter's rubber tracks also offer superior performance in adverse field conditions, including fields with standing water. The field cutter is essentially a mobile processor. Using conventional harvesting methods, the harvester performs only one function. It picks the cob from the stalk. The remaining functions of husking, orientation, and cutting must be performed at the canning plant. In addition to these processing functions, all waste material must be hauled away from the plant. The field cutter, however, performs 4 processing functions in the field: harvesting, husking, orientation, and cutting. All waste material is left in the field where it is recycled. There are many advantages to leaving waste in the field, including a reduction in transportation costs, a reduction in waste material handling and disposal at the plant, and a favorable impact on water treatment programs. Because of its ability to perform many of the processing functions in the field cutter offers processors tremendous production flexibility. The Byron 9100 Field Cutter is expected to have a significant impact on the food processing industry because of its advanced technology and far-reaching cost-saving implications. Thank you for taking the time to review this video and for considering Byron for all your harvesting needs.